It's time to rip into the game station because it's hot. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to do a little bit of a teardown. We're going to check out what's inside this PlayStation fake mini console. There were some people asking that I make this teardown, so I'm thinking, why not? Let's rip it there. So I've noticed it's pretty damn simple to rip it apart. You only need to remove 4 screws, if I have noticed or seen it correctly. So what you're doing is remove these. I'm not going to speed it up because I didn't want to. Alright, let's do this, man. Let's do this. Oh, why is it not? Ah, it's opened. So right, there are just basically 2 buttons in this plastic shell. So right, people, this is it. It's more shell or more shell than PCB, but that was already a little bit expecting this. What I'm noticing that you're having this two holders here, or how do you call it? So I think the shell has been made for other systems. Alright, let's do a little bit of close-up view. What are we going to get? Alright, let's do an overview of the front side. What you can see here, that if I look at the date when it's made, it's already version 3. Alright, 2018. So this means that this front PCB board is pretty damn new. So it's not that it's in, let's say in Polystations, a lot of people were telling in the comments. So it's basically a new system. So the main PCB board was only in position or held in position with this single screw. There is a chip that they soldered on this one. I can't see it. I cannot move it a lot. At the bottom we are seeing 2 black blobs. I don't know, you can see it on the camera, but there are 2 black blobs. Yeah, the annoying part is we cannot remove it. There is nothing. What I also can do, wait, what I also can do, man, get the other screwdriver, rip this apart. All right, the other one. So whoa, wicked. Yeah, using a screwdriver can be very hard. All right, pull this out. All right, so we have more movement. Alright, let's see what it says here. So it's a pretty unique PCB board that they have sold in this chip. So I think this is more like a universal board that they're using this chip. So I'm guessing this one contains all of the games. There's nothing much to see. So if you're recognizing something, you can always leave it in the comments, of course. This says a little code. Do you know what? I'm going to look it up. So I couldn't find any information on the chip itself, and yeah, let's take a close look at the last PCB, the third one, and this one is for the AV out function and the power in. We can see this little condensator here. There's nothing, not a lot of stuff happening on the PCB board itself. It's pretty damn basic if you ask me. So yeah, so that concludes a little bit of this video. As you see, there is nothing much to see. It's a pretty damn basic product, and the way how it's assembled, it's pretty funny if you ask me. Alright, let's take this screw back in. And this is what we're going to get. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you have some information or you're seeing things from, hey, I know what it is, please leave it in the comments. I really love to know. And sharing this information, wow. Okay, this is not going to be a very good thing. When pressing the button, you see this PCB wiggling around. Oh, this will break someday. So maybe you can put some pads between it that they're not going to give this wiggly feeling anymore. But then overall, this is what we're going to get, people. It's not a very old product if you look at the production date of some PCB boards. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel.